Today's Monday, May 1st. This is the 1967 to 1976 Cadillac Saginaw Steering Gear power gearbox for the steering assembly. This will be going out to my friend Gerald in California as soon as I get his okay to ship. Reply confirmation. This is a fully restored show quality unit. It's lined up with the original chassis number 5687962, made by Saginaw Steering Gear for General Motors over that duration from 1967 through 1976. So this is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall, all the way through 78 for the Cadillac Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, the steering boxes, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Monday, May 1st. Thank you very kindly.